Hello, pack members. MK is back for another Magic Duels pack opening. I was waiting to get enough coins to do Shadows of Innistrad, but with the new deal going on right now, if you don't know, until September 26th, all Battle of Zendikar and Oath of Gatewatch are 33% off in credits. So all of them are in the hundreds. Reasonable prices, so go to 8 packs and Oath of Gatewatch again. Let's hope we can do this. I hope I can get this video up before upload this today. Actually, hopefully, anyways. Let's open these 8 packs up. Yes. I was really wanting to open up Shadows of Innistrad because I want to build a werewolf deck, and that's gonna be really fun. But this is still good too. Hopefully, we get a Planeswalker this time. Hopefully. Alright, going in order, we got Core Scythe Master, another card from my ally deck. Containment Membrane. I think this is new. Yeah, it's new. I haven't seen that yet. Vampire and Void. That's not bad actually. It's not bad of a card when it's happy in life. It's pretty cool. Which also don't we have a gold card, I think? Yes, that is a gold card. The dual type. Alright, that's cool. That's not that bad. Never heard of a colorless creature. Oh, that's actually pretty. That's actually not that bad. That's good for a Eldrazi deck. Make a stage. Creatures you control get play. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And we got Oath of Chandra again. That's really good. I do want more of those. I want at least 2 of each. Oath. We got a new, so we got a new one. Yeah, some new ones. What we got here? Undo War Cleric. Not that bad of a card. It's meh. It's a cohort, so it's meh. Then room again. Sweep away. We got the last time. The bottom of Fury. I wanted more of him, which is actually really good. Mobilizer Eldrazi. That's actually not that bad of a card. And Thought Not Seer. This is new. It's complete colorless card, so this card is not that great for me. If you target opponent, it goes to your hand. So not only a card from his ready. Oh, that's interesting. Interesting card. Next booster. Got a Chandra pack. We got. What's the next translator? Another Eldrazi. Yeah, I'm glad that's one. That's another card. Flame Seeker, this is new. There's an Uprising. Target land you control the guns. Control of the haste until it's end. Ah, that's actually not bad. I might add that. Weapons Trainer, another gold card. He's a human soldier ally. That's actually not bad. Other creatures you control get +1/+0 as long as you control an equipment. It's not bad. Bonds of Mortality. Mortality ends the battlefield, draw a card. Creatures you control lose. Creatures your opponent control lose. Hexproof indestructible. That's actually really good. Call Gatewatch. Sorcery. Ooh. Search the library for Planeswalker card. Reveal it and put it into your hand to shuffle your deck. Shuffle your library. I still call it deck. I'm so used to referring to them as deck. We got a Jace. We got a Jace pack. Almost halfway through. We got another Core Scythe Master. Another Gravity Negator. We actually haven't got that last time. This at all yet. We got Taju Path Warden. Nice. I actually wanted more of this card. It's actually not that bad. Basic Vigilance and Trample. Steep Glider Elemental for the white deck. Nice. It's actually pretty good. Nice. Nice skill. We got Make It Stand again. And we have a legendary creature. We got a red rarity. Kalitas, Trader of Get. I think one token creature an opponent controls would die. Instead, exile that card to put a 2/2 black zombie token on the battlefield. Nice. Sacrifice. Pay 2 and black. Sacrifice another zombie or vampire. Put two 1/1 counters on trip. Calates. That's actually not that bad. I might actually go to black pack now. Yeah, probably not. I'm gonna get some more cards for that first. We got Spark Mage Gambit. I like that card. Silent Summoner. This is new. Okay. What he's playing for Summoner. He's someone that can draw the Silent. Okay. Serious Lancer. I've seen that card since I've had. We have another gold card. Ballast No. So we can use the back of your turn. Two target new Rhaegar to your hand. That's actually really good. Multiple Mortality once again. Nice. And another red rarity. Oh my god. Crush of Tentacles. Sorcery Surge 3/2/2. Return all online permanents to their owner's hands. The Crush Tentacles Surge cost and pay. Put an 8/8 new octopus creature token. Oh god. That actually sounds really good. Oh no, I don't know, like. What we got here? We got Ancient Crab, Cinder Helion. I actually want another one of him. Pulse of Masara. Oh, I want more of this card. Yes. Flayer Drone. Yet another gold card. It's another Eldrazi. Good god, I'm getting Eldrazi's. Drug Auxiliary. Another. Okay, I got this card. Elf Soldier Ally. Support two 1/1 counters of each. Put a 1/1 counter on each of the two targets. Not bad. We have another Thought Not Seer. We have 2 packs left. Okay. This is the second to last pack. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Well, we did not get any Planeswalkers. Unfortunately, but we got Umara Entangler House. Not bad. Slaughter Drone. Another Eldrazi. Gotta be so many of those. And again, this set's made for them. Devouring Flames. Another Chandra card. Nice. Forge Acolyte. And Sylvian Advocate. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Hold on, let me turn off the. Put it real quick. So useful. Alright. Well, I can't buy anything, so yeah, that's that. Oh, and thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe for future content. It sadly didn't get what we wanted, but we shall try in the future. We shall try for Shadows Innistrad and some more of the Gatewatch. We actually got 13% done out of that, so that was actually pretty good. I enjoyed that. So like I said, thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next episode. Bye.